Of myself I can do nothing, said Jesus. The Father that dwells in me, he does the work. Have faith in God. Have faith and doubt not. Have faith and fear not. Now remember, there is no limitation to God's power. All things are possible. Use positive words in making your request. There is not but the perfect condition desired. Then plant in your soul the perfect seed idea, and that alone. Now, ask to manifest health and not to be healed of disease, to express harmony and realize abundance, not to be delivered from inharmony, misery, and limitations. Throw these off as you would discard an old garment. They are old and only outgrown things. You can afford to discard them joyfully. Do not even turn to gaze upon them. They are no thing, nothing. Fill the seemingly blank spaces about you with the thought of God, infinite good. Then remember, the word God is the seed. It must grow. Leave the how, when, and where to God. Your work is merely to say what you want and to give forth blessings, knowing that the moment you have asked, you have received. All the details of this bringing forth is the work of the Father. Remember, he does the work. Do faithfully your part. Leave and trust God's part to him. Ask, affirm. Look to God for what you want. Then receive God's fulfillment. Keep the thought of God's abundance always in mind. If any other thought comes, replace it with that of God's abundance and bless that abundance. Give thanks, constantly if need be, that the work is done. Do not go back to the asking. Just bless and give thanks that the work is done, that God is working in you, that you are receiving that which you desire, for you desire only the good, that you may give out the good to all. Let this be in silence and in secret. Pray to your Father in secret, and your Father, who sees the secret of your soul, will reward you openly. When the demonstration is complete, you will look back upon the time faithfully given as one of your greatest treasures. You will have proved the law, and you will realize the power of your word spoken in faith and blessing. Remember that God has perfected his plan. He has poured out and is continuously pouring out, lovingly and lavishly, upon us all good and every good thing that we can desire. Again he says, try me, and see if I will not open the windows of heaven and pour out such a blessing that there will not be room to receive it.